Television, a system or device for receiving moving images and sound over a distance. We watch the news on television every evening. Key, a device used to unlock a lock. I lost my door key. Cup, a small round container, usually with a handle, for drinking tea and coffee. She filled her cup with coffee. Bed, a piece of furniture for sleeping on. She was lying in bed all day. Room, a part of a building that is enclosed by walls and usually has a door. Please clean your room before dinner. Door, a movable piece that covers an entrance to a building, room, or vehicle, or the entrance itself. Emma knocked on the door before entering. Lamp, a device that produces light. She turned on the lamp to read her book. Wall, a vertical structure that divides or encloses a space. They painted the wall a bright blue. Desk, a piece of furniture with a flat surface for writing or working. He placed his computer on the desk. House, a building where people live. They bought a new house in the suburbs. Table, a piece of furniture with a flat top and legs. The dinner was served on a large table. Chair, a piece of furniture for sitting. She sat on the chair near the window. Window, an opening in a wall to let in light and air. He looked out the window to see the rain. Toilet, a fixture for urination and defecation. The bathroom has a new toilet. Garden, a piece of ground used for growing plants. She loves working in her flower garden. Fridge, a large appliance used to keep food cold. He put the milk back in the fridge. Shower, a device that sprays water for washing yourself. She takes a shower every morning. Picture, an image or painting on a surface. They hung a beautiful picture on the wall. Bedroom, a room used for sleeping. Her bedroom is decorated in pastel colors. Kitchen, a room where food is prepared and cooked. The kitchen is filled with delicious smells.